Full service SEO, what it means and why you need it. Full service SEO is a term not many people have heard, so it's a little difficult to understand. Some people also refer to it differently in our own industry, which can create a bit of confusion. The true meaning of this term refers to a full circle comprehensive SEO strategy. It starts with preparing for monitoring and ends with a cycle that is prepared for reporting. Everything in between is the work we do to help you get clients through your website. Full service SEO encompasses all that is needed to make you get more ideal clients month after month, fully automatically. We will use all the weapons in our arsenal to make it happen. It includes, but is not limited to, keyword research, website improvements to help it rank, content optimization, and also lead building and authority building. All of this results in a traffic boost. The rest is that it gets more leads to your business. Often an SEO agency will work with your social media and PR agencies to make sure that you have a good strategy that makes your site easy to access and understand for Google and potential clients. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners, entrepreneurs, and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. We do this by providing information on how to use online marketing fully automated to attract your ideal clients. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. Who needs full service SEO? Typically entrepreneurs that don't want to have the hassle of learning and following the whole lead generation process, but rather prepare to hire a highly qualified agency so they can enjoy doing what they do best and watch their business grow. Be sure to watch to the end of this video to get all these great tips which will help you get the success you are after. Why you need it. SEO is easily seen as something that people get to after they have done social media and other forms of digital marketing that didn't work so well. Businesses that need to get leads from their website know the value of SEO. It simply boosts traffic, but it's not simple. This is why working with an agency is highly recommended. Once the traffic starts coming in, then it's time to think of how you are converting those leads to clients and improve the pages and the process through which this happens. Search engine optimization will also cross-feed all your other marketing efforts and suppliers. It may also help you discover that there is a gap in the market. This happens often in SEO. You can uncover words that are a reflection of behavior that points to you in an important decision in your business. One of our clients discovered through our keyword research that there was a gap in his market for a product that he could easily order from his suppliers. So he tried to sell it on his site, and now he sells containers full every time this product is in season. We call it the online marketing mastery effect. Would you like to learn more about our online marketing mastery formula and want to learn how to make the online marketing mastery effect work for you? Then you need a full service SEO from Fairtech. Contact us for a free consultation. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at Learn the SEO Basics that will help you rank higher in Google. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.